In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way you can download, generate, and transcribe any TikTok transcript in about 5 seconds. Absolutely for free in 4 different ways. Now, the tool that we're using is called TokScript, TokScript.com. This is a free and easy tool that you can use for up to 50 videos at a time. All you have to do is copy and paste the TikTok video link that you want to download, hit download, and you'll automatically download any TikTok video's transcript in whatever language you want. If that's not enough, you can actually go here and hit the translate button, and you can take any TikTok video, download and generate the transcript, and retranscribe it into the language of your choice. And if that wasn't enough, you can add up to 50 links at a time and download up to 50 TikTok videos in one single click. Now, what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to go ahead and download the first link. And once it's done, it'll look like this. You can go ahead and copy any of the transcripts. You can even download the transcript if you want into a TXT file. You can also, as a bonus, download cover images and download the actual video itself. There's also a mobile version. So if you're on your phone, you can do the same thing, paste it in, get the individual video transcript itself like this, or you could even still download the bulk transcripts like this, making it fast, easy, and seamless. Honestly, it takes about 4 seconds from start to finish. Now, if that wasn't enough, TokScript also has the Chrome extension. So what you can do is you can go to any individual video, click it, look for this little white box that says transcript, and right here you can copy any video's transcript as well as download the transcript at any point in time. And last but not least, TokScript now has MCP, which basically means you could put TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube inside of Claude and ChatGPT and download and access anything from the individual video as well as the profile as a whole. So let me show you what this looks like. We're going to go right here. We're going to paste it in and say, give me this video transcript, and we put the individual TikTok link. And once you've connected TokScript to Claude or ChatGPT, what it will do is automatically grab the transcript as well as any of the video stats and pull it into the actual chat, where you can do whatever you want with it. From here, you can ask any questions, you can write new scripts, new ideas, whatever you want. In 2026, TokScript makes it the easiest to transcribe, extract, download, and generate any TikTok video transcript as well as Instagram and YouTube for free in 3 different ways. Now, if you're looking for a fast and easy way to do it, TokScript is definitely what you're going to want to check out. Now, there are some paid features where you can download individual collections, playlists, YouTube videos, any of the engagement stats, as well as a variety of different updates. If you want to try this out for yourself, go ahead and check out and use promo code YT10, and we're going to give you 50% off for those paid features. But with that said, everything is free. You can try it right now, give it a try, and good luck transcribing and downloading your TikTok transcripts in 2026.